where the air is thick with history and every moment feels like a page from an ancient tale. This is a city where sacred traditions meet vibrant modernity, where pilgrims and adventurers alike find themselves drawn to its magnetic allure. From the golden domes of Imam Reza's shrine to the lively streets that pulse with energy, Mashhad is a place where stories are not just told, they're lived. Get ready to uncover the layers of this extraordinary city, where every visit feels like a new chapter in a timeless story. The Imam Reza Holy Shrine stands as the most important and iconic attraction in Mashhad, drawing millions of pilgrims and visitors from around the world each year. As the final resting place of Imam Reza, the 8th Imam of Shia Islam, this sacred site is not only a spiritual center but also a masterpiece of Persian architecture and art. The shrine's golden dome, intricate tilework, and expansive courtyards create an atmosphere of reverence and awe, offering a serene haven for those seeking spiritual solace. Beyond its religious significance, the shrine complex also houses museums, libraries, and educational institutions, making it a cultural and intellectual hub in Iran. The Imam Reza Holy Shrine is more than just a place of worship. It is the heart and soul of Mashhad, embodying the city's rich history, spiritual heritage, and enduring devotion. The area surrounding the Holy Shrine of Imam Reza in Mashhad is filled with luxurious and multi-star hotels, each offering a unique experience of comfort and hospitality to pilgrims and tourists alike. These hotels, with their modern amenities and exceptional services, ensure a peaceful and comfortable stay while providing quick and easy access to the sacred site. Staying in these hotels allows you to enjoy not only a serene and luxurious environment, but also the opportunity to visit and worship at the shrine at any moment, immersing yourself in its spiritual atmosphere. Mashhad, as a cultural and educational hub, is home to several prestigious institutions, with Ferdowsi University of Mashhad standing out as one of the largest and oldest universities in Iran. Established in 1949, Ferdowsi University has played a pivotal role in advancing higher education and research in the country. Mashhad offers a mix of modern malls and traditional bazaars for shopping enthusiasts. Almas Sharq Mall and Proma Hypermarket provide a contemporary shopping experience with international brands, while Reza Bazaar near the Imam Reza Shrine offers traditional Persian goods like saffron, carpets, and handicrafts. Zist Kavar Shopping Center combines modern retail with local crafts, and Arman Shopping Center caters to luxury shoppers. These spots make Mashhad a key destination for both modern and cultural shopping experiences. Transportation system is well developed. featuring an extensive network of buses, BRT bus rapid transit, and a growing metro system. The metro, with several operational lines and ongoing expansion projects, plays a crucial role in easing traffic congestion and improving urban mobility. The BRT system complements this by providing fast and efficient bus services across the city. Recent development projects, including the expansion of metro lines and the enhancement of bus services, are significantly improving the quality of life for residents by reducing travel times, decreasing air pollution, and making the city more accessible. These advancements are not only transforming daily commutes, but also contributing to the overall modernization of Mashhad, supporting its growth as a major urban center in Iran.